Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this particular video, we'll see how to turn on or off notifications in Windows operating system. Okay, so let's get started. Once you go to the search here, you can go to the settings. You can type for settings. Once you go to the settings, click on system, and here you can see the notifications. Click on notifications. You can click on this particular arrow symbol. Okay, so here you can see the notifications, get notifications from apps and other senders. Here it's turned on. If you want to be turned off, you can just turn it off. Okay, so once you turn it off, here you can see the notifications from all the apps and the senders will be turned off. Okay, so once you turn it on, here it will be turned on for all the applications and the other senders. But once you turn it on, here you can just turn it off for some specific apps or from the other senders or the software. Okay, so here I have turned it on, and if I just want to turn it off, the notifications from the mail means I can just turn it off for that particular application or the software. Okay, and here you can see one more option called do not disturb. Once you turn on do not disturb, here you can see the notification symbol. If I just turn it on, so here you can see it will be set it as a no new notifications, and in the bracket it is showing as do not disturb. Okay, so all the notifications will be sent to the notification center, and once you click on the notification center, here you can see the list of all the notifications or the updates related to that particular application or to the center. Okay, so I will just turn off do not disturb, and I will make sure to turn it on the notifications on, because I want all the notifications to be pop up in my Windows operating system. Okay, so this is how you can just turn on or turn off the notifications in Windows operating system. Okay, so that's all about this particular video, guys. I hope you like this particular video. Please do subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you in it all. Thank you. Bye bye.